Steve here, ShenRC, and this is the Kyosho Beetle build. I got this courtesy of the RCL. Beauty! He's the best guy ever, helping out all the guys on YouTube, sending them nice RC gifts. That's awesome of the RCL. Anyhow, here it is. I did the build, but I actually was on the Tank RC's live show and I forgot to take photos of all the steps, so a lot of stuff's missing in my build. I'm sorry about that, guys. But take a look at it, and at the end I'll show you what it looks like. Here she is, guys, finished. I didn't do the box art because I already have a yellow RC bug painted up, but I think it came out really nice looking. What I did was I used, let me see, I got the paint here. I used this Spastics. It's a candy golden root beer, and then I backed it with the black high gloss, and what it did was it made it almost, it's like black, you could hardly tell, but there's a little like a bronzish brown in there. It's some little metallic, so it looks really cool looking. It almost looks black. It has a weird hue to it that messes your eyes up, that you think it's black, then it kind of looks not black, if you could understand. Anyhow, that's it. Like I said, I think it came out real nice. As I originally wanted to do it like a lighter metallic brown, but it didn't work out that way. But I think it looks really good. I'm afraid to scratch it up, to tell you the truth. But you know me, I always run them. The guy came out pretty nice. I don't know if you'll be able to see him in there. I'll show you what I put in here. Take this body off. Here's what it looks like inside. I also put this little piece of foam, so when you have the body on, the guy won't flop around. It'll hit this and stop him from flopping around. I'll show you what I got in here. I got a Traxxas 2056 servo, Fly Sky receiver. I have this, I had this from eBay. I got it. It's a BDESC S10E ESC, so that should be good enough. And I actually put a stock Tamiya silver can in there, guys, because for some reason the gear ratio on this goes pretty fast with the stock motors. I'm thinking it's gonna go over 20 something miles an hour even with this stock silver can. I'll have to GPS it. And see how it goes. But this is a real nice kit. The suspension, everything on it, it works really, really good. I like this one a lot. It's like my Scorpion. Really neat. So I'm gonna have to get this out for a test run. I just want to say thanks to the RC Elf again for gifting me this. He's awesome. I thanked him a million times. So I don't know what to say anymore. He's such a good guy. And I'll have to get this out and give it a run. Maybe in the ball field. We'll see. And I'll GPS it also with that motor. Guys, if you like the video, please leave me a thumbs up. You know I appreciate it as always. If you could, leave a comment, hit that bell so you don't miss my future videos. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It'd be awesome. And I'll see you next time. Next time you see this Beetle Beauty, it'll be outrun, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Shen RC.